All right, folks, now we've talked about clothing we're supposed to wear on the trail, what goes in our backpack, what goes on the llama for our gear, but let's not forget some other essential gear that goes on the llama, and that's your sleeping kit. So the sleeping kit we're going to feature is we're going to have our sleeping backpack pad, our sleeping bag, and our 2 or 3 person sleeping tent. So this would be the style or size of this that's convenient to go on the llama. And if you guys need any of this equipment, please let us know. We're happy to supply our tents. We're happy to supply the sleeping pad and also the sleeping bag. If you do use one of our sleeping bags, it will be a 0-degree synthetic sleeping bag that are laundered after each use. If you choose to bring your own, we highly recommend bringing at least a 0-degree bag. It does seem kind of warm, but again, at nighttime in the mountains, the temperature does drop, and you can always open it up and stick a foot out or cool yourself down. And we'd rather you do that than to be cold all night, because it gets pretty cold. That about does it for our gear list and equipment for one of our summer adventures. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and we hope to see you on the trail.